Hello and welcome to Sail with Gail and Mike. In this video we're doing a cabin tour of our cabin 10160, which is an extra large balcony cabin situated on deck 10 right towards the aft of the ship on the starboard side. It's in a great location for quick access to the summer house, nonnas, abuelas and the kitchens.
Afternoon, come on in.
Hello
10,
Gail.
10160.
10160.
Hey, I've only been on 24 hours and I've remembered it. How good is that?
Large balcony cabin.
As in a large balcony,
Yeah,
not
a large cabin. Yeah.
Can be a bit.
So let's just start little room tour. I'll start at this end of the room.
Okay.
So we've got life jackets up the top, full length storage
and
there.
hangers that actually come off and you haven't got to faff around with the little metal things, so that's really good.
Always wonder why they have thief-proof hangers. Who's stealing hangers? Anyway, loads of shelves, more life jackets up there, loads of shelves and some drawers down here.
Not even silver.
Yeah, so
This one's a bit of a weird one, but you
Yeah.
get half hanging.
I don't know whether it's because just in our room, but there's a bulkhead here, so I can't get the hangers in full length, so I can only can't get much in there, which is a bit of a shame. All
There's space for bags and
all the
stuff at the
shoes and
bottom,
stuff down
isn't
there. And then you come into this area, you've got safe, kettle, cubby hole for, got my camera stuff and spare towels in there, and fridge, nothing in it.
No, only milk for me tea. That's
Yeah.
it. So that's fine. And then over here, there's a couple of hangers. There's no electrics apart from the light. No USBs.
Yeah.
And then we've got like a couch there, which if you've got a child with you or
Yeah, you get
third
it.
adult, this probably goes into a bed. Aircon here. It's not freezing, but it's okay. I'll see how good or bad it is once I'm drying the hair tonight.
Good thing with this cabin on Marella is you don't need to put your card into a slot to work the electrics, so the electric's permanently on,
So
so you can
the
actually, your
aircon
room is cool when you come in. You're not fumbling around for your card to put your lights on. You come in, normally you have your card here, but as you can see, just a light switch. You've got your safety information there, your muster drill details. And then in here we have the bathroom, a really large shower with a big glass screen, and really powerful shower. We don't provide you with shampoo, so this is just a body wash that they provide. So if you come in and you usually rely on the ship's shampoo, I suggest you bring your own. We have some storage down here, bin in there. There's a shaving point up here, and then we have a shaving mirror here. I think he's ugly. So, more hangers up there, which is great. And then we come into the main area of the bedroom. Telly, perfectly fine. It's not as big as some, but you know, we're happy enough with it.
It's near the tellies. It's near the bed, so it's not too bad. The dressing table isn't very wide, but we moved the kettle from here over into the little cubby hole, and I feel like there's enough space here. Plugs are a bit dicky to fit, so we bought an extension lead.
So you've got one US plug socket, one European socket,
And your USBs.
2 USB sockets for charging your devices. So it can be a bit of a struggle, which is why we bring the extension lead there.
The hairdryer I'm not impressed with, and I'm glad I brought my own. I don't think many people would be impressed with that.
It's okay.
I think Mike, it might just dry yours, but apart from that, there's a couple of drawers there. And then you've got the balcony, which is the best bit of the room.
This is the extra large balcony. And we've got 2 sunbeds.
Which we've never had before.
Which we've never had on a balcony before. 2 chairs. A table. And a hammock for a long day.
I'm on my hammock. Are you?
And there's the beautiful Mediterranean. Somewhere over there is Spain.
We're on our way to Gibraltar.
And we're going that way. And next stop is Gibraltar. So, and another good point of this room, which I'll show you now, because Gail's going to close the door. And the door closes by itself. No big bang. And there's a child locker here as well. All in all, very impressed. Quick demo on a hammock. Without making myself look stupid. Hooks onto there. This is so nice. How easy was that? Good night.
Good night. So this is how near it is to get to the bar at the back of the ship. So you come out here and round. And this is our friend's balcony, which you can see on one of our other videos, which is 10162. It's a large balcony where it's got that extra bit, but she said there are sometimes people that look in, but you don't mind that every now and again. To be fair, not many people use this, only the people on the end of this deck. There's up to some decks up there. It's been that hot, been around 37 degrees every day. Everyone's slightly packed into the shade at the moment.
Thank you so much for watching this episode. We really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really does help us out.